broiler together, right? First you're going to grab the U-bar. Put it in this bar in here first. It's going to connect like that. So it fits in the crotch right there. Alright. Then you're going to grab the little T-keys right there, okay? You're going to put the little ones in the far end, and you're going to let these ones come out towards you. They rest on top of the U-bar. Alright, there you go. Okay, you watching? Alright, then you're going to grab this Fuji whopper. On one side you're going to have the little bar that's removable, on the other end it's going to be stationary, alright? So you're going to grab the one that's got the bar on it that moves on your left hand, and you're going to slide it in here. You're going to put the pin in, so the pin's over there. Make sure the pin's down, otherwise it won't stay. Where's the grate? Next you're going to grab the grate. Make sure you got the indentations on the bottom. You're going to slide it in underneath the panel. Just like that. You're going to grab this. You got indentations that come outward. They're going to fit right here into the notches on each side. Then these little holes are going to correspond with the hooks there. Just like that. I'm going to come over here on this side. I'm going to grab this one out here. Make sure that this part's out like this. Got two notches on the bottom. They're going to correspond with the bottom notches there. Now make sure that sometimes they won't go in easy enough because these are out of the way. Sometimes you got to align them. Easiest way to do that is just to put them in the bottom ones. And get them in there.
Get it in the hole.
Oh, no, get it in the hole. If I put them under it myself. Just like that. Okay. Face plate. Grab your face plate. Goes like that. Put this in next. Bottom pan in. Put in your sliding tray. Make sure that these lock. Grab this one, make sure it's out. This so that the corresponding notches go at the bottom there. This goes up underneath the little cranny there. These have two notches on the interior that correspond with the two notches on there. You're going to have two catch pans. One's going to be a top for 2 pans. The other one's going to be the bottom. Just like that. And now that's how you put the broiler together. Learn, my young Padawan.